Alright, for you Chevy owners that are experiencing a ticking noise while driving, you got your exhaust. There's a valve right here. You can hear it in the video. That will cause that noise. You will hear it while you're driving.